No, you're joking. You're joking me.
What's the emergency, please?
There's these little huts down here that I want to see. You can actually rent them out. You can rent it out for the day, yeah.
Might have to book it if you want.
We didn't rent one out, but see if it's worth it, really.
Yeah. The hot days
See
that
what all
come
the
down.
fuss is about.
You said no dog.
Huh? Oh, it must be. Well, everyone brings their dogs here. Oh, dog areas down here.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, let's go down here then. Little beach cat and clothes shop.
Once they're all sat down.
Ice cream.
Is that ice cream there? There is a little dog area. Come on. Wow. Sorry, that's how it would take us.
It comes really walking. I've got to walk.
Come on.
Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, God. Hard
We
work,
didn't
isn't it?
know this. Bless you. It does say no dogs, but as you can quite clearly see, there's lots of dogs. Say cheese!
Mommy, look at Daddy.
Be free. Be free. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Toad. Let's go, Toad. You can do it, Toad. Oh. Come on. Come on. Nah. Lucky paws. Hundreds of beach huts. It'd be quite exciting to rent one out, really, wouldn't it? It says, what on earth have you brought me to? Come with you. No. You just get wrecked. Oh, he's found a ball. You can't throw it. He can't. Is that your chase? Get it.
Even that.
Get it. Ready? Ready? Get it. Yeah, it's about a 2-mile walk, isn't it, I think. A little bit of climbing involved, so if your dog's a bit old, like our one, yeah, you know.
The hot day would be lovely.
Oh yeah. We'll have to carry him. Gonna have to be the hero. That's what happens when you get an old dog. You don't realise you've got stairs. Bless him.
Oh.
Come on in. Come on in. Come on.
Oh God. Got a runny nose now. Oh,
You got a runny nose.
because of the.
I just had to lift him. Oh,
Swim.
go for a swim.
You should go right the way down.
Yeah, it's all downhill now. I'll just roll him downhill otherwise. He'll be alright. Sit down, 10 minutes, have ice cream. Let Toby have a drink. How much the ice cream's in flake?
Huh?
How much the ice cream's in flake?
£5.50, mate.
Oh, what each?
Yep.
See you later. £5.50
For a cone.
for one cone. Each.
You look so angry. How much do you spend in Thailand for ice cream?
Probably about 80p for two. I'd rather eat my own
Oh. Toby, can you for your daddy? Here you
What's
go.
the matter with him?
No, he just.
Perhaps he's in shock.
Not for ice cream.
Yeah. He said, how much? Come on. This kind gentleman's just going to give us a little lift. And I'll meet you back. Oh, thank you. Lifesaver. Oh, and he's just an old boy. Yeah, he's 14 years old, bless him. So he's started to struggle. We didn't realise how many the stairs and the hills. Well, thank you for doing that. It's very kind.
Miserable. So it's in
That's
here?
it. Yeah, we are literally just in there, so this will
Okay.
be fine.
Okay, we'll just pull up round to you then. Have a lovely
Thank
rest
you.
of the day then.
Thank you ever so much. Oh. Thank you. Bye. Sorry. Sorry. Well, lovely people. Oh no. No, you're joking. Please tell me May's got them. I haven't got my phone either. Please tell me May's got them, hasn't she? May's got my keys. I think May's got my keys. May would have my keys. I don't have my keys. May would have my keys. I've got to go all the way back. Oh no. I really hope I haven't left my keys in their car. I need to see if I can get a lift. I need to know. I haven't got my phone. So my phone's dead because it's in the car. Also meant I wouldn't have locked the car. I wouldn't have locked the car. My phone would be in there. I might have some battery. And I'll be able to ask if May's got my keys. Check my phone's right in there. Okay. Anyone? Anyone? No. Typical, isn't it? When you're in a panic, no one wants to stop for you. She's up there. I can see her. I think she's got something in her hand. Please give me good news. Give me good news. My keys are in there, aren't they? I thought I'd left them in the back seat of their car. As soon as they left, I walked up to the cars and they'd gone, and I haven't got my phone. And I thought, I think I've left them in the back seat of the car. How long did it take you to realise?
About 10 minutes, I think. You know what? It should be here by now. And I think
I went.
I hope it's not his key. And I realised you've got your key and phone in here. I think, you know what? I better start walking. And then he just climbed in the middle of the road, tried to climb up, but yeah, then we made it, but slowly gone. We have a jump. Oh,
I can't believe that. It's not funny.
it's not even time I think about it. Oh, he's gonna come back.
Well, I went for a free joyride,
And then we'll walk back.
and I'm so glad you've got them. I'm sitting there thinking to myself, I remember coming up and going to go and grab them. For some reason, I didn't grab them.
Yeah, you give me your bag. And I said, no, take the bag.
Do you want a drink, Tobes? Of what's left? Because the rest of it's in the bag. I opened the bag up and the whole lid was off. Is that funny, is it? There you are.
Oh, God. Can I drink whatever you got left first, please? Oh, shit. This
You okay there?
terrible.
What?
Terrible.
What's the matter?
My chest.
Come on, drink up.
Top. Licky, licky, baby boy.
Well, it works, didn't it?
I told you to bring his bowl.
Well, I didn't bring his bowl, look. It's working.
More.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
On the floor. God, down again, on water.
A bottle of water. How much a bottle of water cost you?
£1.60.
It's okay, acceptable.
Come on, Tobes. Yeah. Me panicking, look, he's happy. Thanks.
Where's my old puppy?
Stay here with Mummy.
Where's your car? Open the car for me.
I'll open the window for him.
Yeah, I'll sit in the car with him.
Oh, okay. How much is your ice cream? I'm going to the co-op. I've not walked all that way to get an ice cream 50p cheaper. I've done it twice. Let's go. I found a shop for some ice cream. You know what? That's still expensive for a shop like that. Huh?
Yeah.
That's £11.
We got 2 ice cream. Okay.
Right.
Pork crackling.
But those ice
Strawberry
creams in town was £5.50. That would have been 11 quid for 2 ice creams, and we got that instead for 11 quid. Oi, rip off!
Almond. Mm.
What?
Almond. Oh, couple of.
Horse.
Couple of. Cheers. We'll be home soon, Toby. Come on.
Okay. See you later.
Huh?
See you later.
To who? See ya.